May his soul continue to rest in peace. See people where they sing. Song makes sense. All this thing, all these boys that they sing, Tekno come. I get a big cassava. Now when they finally check the cassava, nothing did there. The cassava na abacha. Now I can go back studio, can discover say Nigeria don't know, say nothing really did there. Enter studio, can't tell us, forget about the big thing, no. Make we talk about the small things, so. You know, say nothing did there. Patoranking, enter studio. See, you know, these are the guys that we actually sing songs. Those days, make sense. Only no be Patoranking, now my friend, no. One person go enter studio, compose song, and Nigerians, you know, they dance. Nobody will no fit to make am. Nobody will no fit to make am. Hey, I no feature you for the joke. Is it your joke? Are you featuring yourself? Sing song. Nobody will no fit to make am. I get it one party. He dey stay for Shogole. He makes small money. He come back go Ajegole. I don't understand. God never give you that money that will take you from Jogule to Ajegule in Jesus' name. What are they singing? And when they dance, I don't blame on them. Nigerian girls can dance to anything. 7 o'clock news, then they dance. Ta-da-da-da, 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 ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. Now they ask, which artist be that? It's not your fault. Fino and Olamide confuse everybody. Father, Father, Olamide they let me first. I buy moto and they travel go Poto Ipo. How? You buy moto, they travel. Which road did they pass? Fino, kill the song, good song. Even for my church, when they take the song as praise and worship until my pastor watch the video. The video, this, I don't understand. Father, the part where my pastor like, when they concerned if my pastor one man pulpit, now that song choir they sing, they usher and in. The part where my pastor like, I get angels from my ghetto. You know, when you hear you get angel for your gate, as a man of God, you will think an angel they talk about two songs. And when my pastor watched the video, on discover say that angel where they talk about a masquerade. Then my pastor stopped the song. But basically, I want to talk about Nigerian girls. When they try, yeah, they try. Those days when our mama they grow up, the only thing for our mom see them won't come events like this. The highest makeup, now powder. They don't finish. Highest 1 minute. But Nigerian girls, now, things don't change. The makeup one and they carry for face alone. If you build house for Lekki. Because the one that they take makeup this face, I got tired. Me, as a comedian, now they coming back come to show for a court December, half of Tana. 500 ladies gather. 5 girls, they don't make up, face don't heavy. And the one that they take make this on her face, first foundation. When they make up like someone they build house, foundation. Then which one they get, my sister? Which one they like your face? Which one they like your concealer? That concealer now. After foundation, they plaster. Which one again? Then they will come do painting, do everything. That face where they like this before. Will come fine, come heavy. As a comedian, if you go that kind of show, imagine 500 girls, they want show, they don't make up, face heavy. How you want them funny? As a comedian now enter, as a crowd the first show, they won't laugh. Face heavy, they do. That's the problem. They crack another joke, they won't laugh, they do. Sign language, I don't understand. That's a problem. You know, as a comedian, you must try to impress They know they laugh. I crack the third one, they can't begin back like dog. Whoa! I said, problem, they now crack the third one. That one, fourth one, that one funny where he hit two girls, they can't begin laugh. Their face can't begin crack. Face begin crack. Now me come they ask them, my sister, thunder strikes on her face. You know, it's crazy. Now you go to clubs, things they happen. And so I go club for kilos last week Friday. Why we say for club, he gets some, you know, this thing I don't understand. Some of all these boys that they oppress some men, all these Yahoo boys there. They could just oppress people. Go take club, they could buy drinks, carry drinks. Before you know, you could go hear that sound. Down, down, down. They don't off lights. They don't off music. One Igbo guy from Aba, chairman, now he come Lagos. Now he answer guy, which club they happen for Lagos? Now the guy say, nah, Quilog, so okay, we go kill us. Big boy, they up. They rock one babe. I see they rock the babe. They rock. No one girl don't give you that. Then you can stand as a man. Then the next thing yet, down. They don't off music, down. They don't off light. As the man says they off light, off music, he shot. Now I call the guy, Emeka, can you hear me? What's happening? The guy said, I don't know. So we are down. After 5 minutes, then they begin play something. Did you provoke the man? Now I call the waiter. Say, come. Why did you off the music? You off the light. You know those Omasabi girls and they say, that's how we behave in this club. Oh, there's some amounts of drink you buy. We off the music, we off the lights. The man say, some amounts of drink you buy, you off music, you off lights. Why? Do you know me? The guys I don't know. That's the way we operate in this club. Some amounts of drink. Now the Igbo man answer again. Like how many bottles? And the guy say like 6 to 10 bottles of champagne. And the man say, just 6 to 7 bottles of champagne. We off for music, off for light. I'm going to go and off the generator. Bring 30 bottles. Ladies and gentlemen,